Now, let's check out this box of material, which is from his claim as well. A lot of big pieces. Cool. Cannot wait. Okay, I'm gonna pull this letter back out, and let's see, the sepatarian nodule. You guys can just pause it because I know my video is going to run a little too long for memory, so you guys can pause this and read it for the description for the calcite aragonite sepatarian nodule, and then the calcite barite aragonite sepatarian nodules. Okay, so plain material, calcite. Nice, look at that. Got dogtooth calcite all over it. That is sick. Now, I do have one black light right here. This is the UV Beast. This is the 385, so it comes with yellow glasses, but we're not going to use those. And it's really hard to show this with the lights on, but there is a nice little calcite. You can kind of see it glowing, those structures right there, outlining where the calcite is. That's super cool. Okay. I hope you guys can hear me because it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm doing this really late at night. I can't sleep, so you know why I can't sleep? Because I got rocks on my mind. Ooh, this is a piece of petrified agatized wood. So that's so cool. And then the wood bark structure. That's so cool. I love this piece. That is awesome. Another piece of petrified agatized wood. I love when you're able to see the bark on it. That is super cool. Look at that. I mean, you know, it's almost like a full round like piece. That's like super cool. You have some nice clear calcite right there in the center. That is beautiful. That is way too cool. So I think this is another piece of, yeah, Serpents Ride. You have the common peach opal right there. Just a nice little chunk of it. Really beautiful piece. And then here's like a little nodule. Oh, I think this is the barite nodules. I think. Because like out in Grand Junction, on the outside of Opal Hill, which is protected, but on the outside of it, you can find balls of barite pseudomorphs, which is kind of cool. But I like the agate banding in the middle. That's really cool. A little fan effect right there. That's cool. I'll have to slice this open in the center. That's cool. Set this off to the side. Okay. This looks like a sepatarian nodule or cluster of nodules. Look at that. So you got like one right here, you got another one right here, you Got one right here, and then another one right here. So that's what, 1, 2, 3, 4 nodule cluster. That's too cool. I cannot wait to cut this open. This is going to be awesome. I cannot wait. Okay, I got 3 pieces left. This is another Septarian nodule. I'm guessing this is maybe the Argonite nodules. But these will be seen in future videos 100%. If they have any type of UV reaction to them, they'll be in night UV cutting videos. Which I'll cut one open in normal lighting, and if it shows UV fluorescence, then we'll be doing some night cutting too. Here's another nice nodule. You can see the like vein right there. This one's gonna be a killer to cut open. Oh. So, Eric, the gentleman that sent these to me, he also just sent off a box to Taylor, Dad. So at some point in time when Taylor has time, he's going to be checking out the material too. So you may see this material on his channel as well. So, Barite Septarian. Ooh, and it's the last one in the box. My table is a mess, but in a good way because it's covered in rocks. Okay, this thing is packaged up well. Ooh, that's so cool. I mean, just seeing, and it's freaking heavy, which was expected. But you can see the nice dark brown barite crystals on the outside of this. Ooh, that's cool. It's like a flower effect. Look at that. That is wicked. That's so cool. And right there, what? Look at those crystals. Oh man. Let me know in the comments if I should cut this one open or not, because I'm kind of leaning away from it just because of that really cool like barite flower effect right there. But then who knows what's hiding on the inside. Oh man, that is like really cool. Thank you so much, Eric, for all of this and the boxes last week. It's just like all the material is just like speechless with how beautiful it is, and for being so giving and giving it all to me. Like that's just so cool. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if I should cut this one open, and which piece was your favorite. And if you guys are interested in purchasing any of this material, make sure to hit up his website, and have a fantastic week. Rock on.